We cannot plan missions anymore without taking into account the UAS threat. And what we're seeing now, it's not just one or two platforms in the air, whether it be for reconnaissance or for attack. Now you're talking about swarms. You're talking about massing effects of drones.
Drones kind of came onto the battlefield a couple of years ago, and right now the innovation cycle is about 3 to 6 weeks. It's changing faster than we can get stuff on paper, so experimentation like this is really important for us to kind of learn and get in the groove of dealing with this. It's crucial to their survival to be able to react and deal with this.
My two main priorities for the brigade are survivability and lethality. This exercise is really focused on the survivability piece. Part of what this exercise is going to do is it's going to reveal our vulnerabilities. So as we're moving through an open area, as we move through the woods, as we move in an urban environment, what are the effects that UAS has on what we do and how we've been doing things by doctrine, since the beginning of the infantry. Thunderstruck is designed to look at what our vulnerabilities are, be innovative and come up with solutions on how to deal with that UAS threat, and then come up with plans and TTPs for the future. Leaders at every level have full latitude to make decisions and come up with new ideas and test things out while we're out here. We're looking at how do we adapt to the current threat environment. And the soldiers down to the lowest level, that's probably where most of our ingenuity and innovation is going to come from. They have wide range to experiment and test out what does not work anymore and what do we need to change.